Supreme Court strikes out suit seeking zoning of presidential ticket to Southeast. Welcome to the news and thank you for tuning in to listen. The Supreme Court has struck out a suit instituted against the People Democratic Party (PDP) to enforce the party's zoning and regulatory policy ahead of the 2023 presidential election. The court on Friday, in an unanimous judgment delivered by Justice Adamu Joro, struck out the suit on the ground of lack of jurisdiction to entertain it. A presidential aspirant of the People Democratic Party and former Deputy Speaker of Abia State House of Assembly, Honorable Cosmos Ndukwe, instituted the suit against his party, praying for another to compel it to uphold the zoning and regulatory policy of the party. Specifically, the presidential aspirant sought for the order of a court to compel the People Democratic Party to zone the nomination of its presidential candidate to the Southeast geopolitical zone of the country. However, Justice Joro held that a suit was not justiciable on the ground that the nomination of candidate for election is an internal affairs of political party. All this one, I think, why did they do it now? They did not give us the dates when he filed that particular distance. Maybe he actually have filed this since and they're bringing it up, but they are coming out to say, he's coming out to say that, to strike it out now. But what I'm saying is, we all know there's nobody that is in Nigeria that will come out and say that. There is no one in Nigeria that will come out and say that they're not aware the southeastern region is deprived of the presidential and even the vice presidential position for a very long time. So ordinarily, it is what everyone knows. Even the PDP, they even went against their regulatory, their constitution this time around. But the thing is, Nigerians, since this has happened, I feel since it has happened, Nigerians, we have to come out and, pick the presidential candidate based on equity, fairness, and justice, and based on competence as well. You understand? Since nobody wants to do the right thing, the two major political parties, they are either going against the constitution or going against, what we have been doing for a very long time as a nation. No problem. It is now left for we, the electorates, to come out and do this thing for us. The courts can come out and strike out whatever they want to, anything they want to. But the thing is, we, as electorate, we will now decide. Like I said, the People Democratic Party now, if you are coming out to converse for them, I'll ask you, on what grounds do you even start voting for the People Democratic Party? Because number one, they have already shot themselves in the leg by coming out and picking a nothing candidate when we have a nothing presidential, and we have a nothing person as the president, nothing Muslim as the president already, And then even in the All Progressive Congress, they shot themselves in the leg. You are practicing Muslim. You are not going about this thing the right way. So how should we have confidence that you are going to be doing the right thing when you are given that position? So whether the court say or the court no say, we should come out and do the needful during this election, this coming election. We should come out and say enough is enough. This thing, go work. You understand? Or it go work. But let us make sure we are choosing presidential candidate based on equity, fairness, and justice. Let us make sure that is the case. That's what they repeat them. Okay, on this note, we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of your day.